Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hooks and Yarns. It's been a while that I'm off YouTube and I didn't upload any video, but and I'm really very sorry for that. But sometimes you're just stuck with your personal issues and personal works. I cannot say issues, but I don't want to gather regrets for my life. Okay, so इसलिए sometimes it happens that I don't get time, like videos pile up होती चली जा रही थी, and these videos are, this is the update of the temperature blanket which I'm giving you now, but मुझे editing का time नहीं मिल रहा था. So that was the issue. Or what I usually do is I give priority to my kids first, like not first, like I give priority to kids, because obviously they are very little right now and they need me more than anything else. So many चाहती that when they grow up I regret that उस वक्त में मैं ये कर रही थी. I should have given them more time. So I just want to be available for them all the time. So that's why it happens that कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो जाता है to upload any video, because अगर वीडियो बन गई है तो वो एडिट नहीं हो पा रही, और अगर लाइक एंड समटाइम इट हैपन्स कि वीडियो ही नहीं बन पाती. So this time I wanted to upload it on a regular basis, लेकिन due to editing and all I couldn't do that. Okay, so right now I'm on 23rd January. After 23rd January actually मेरे पास yarn ख़त्म हो गया, the color green I wanted. Okay, so here in Muscat where I live, it was getting really expensive for me, and it was difficult. The shop is really far away, so it's difficult for me to to go there every time and buy more yarn. So I just searched on the internet, like on Amazon, and I found that in Amazon UAE it's cheaper than here. Okay, and we don't have Amazon here. Like we can sell from Muscat, but there is no Amazon app for so that you can buy anything right here from Muscat. So we usually have to go to Amazon UAE. So it will take more time after 23rd January, because I'm ordering a lot of colors, batches all together from Amazon. So it will take time to deliver here in Muscat, and after that obviously I'll start crocheting the rest of the days. So I'm preparing you beforehand that it will take more time after 23rd January. So here I'm just giving you the update. There'll be a lot of छोटे छोटे clips हैं हर row के. Okay, here in between you will notice a change of in the shade of the blue. Okay, that happened because जो shade मैंने first उठाया था, when I went there again वो out of stock था. So I had to continue with my project, so I picked up the closest next shade. So it's a year-long project, so it will happen a lot of times. So that's why I didn't choose any particular shade for the blanket. Okay, I just chose the basic one, like blue, red, pink, orange, so that if there is any shade changes or so it will not affect my blanket. Okay, so it will happen a lot of times, like कि पहले जो रेड का शेड या ब्लू का शेड या ग्रीन का शेड मैं यूज़ कर रही थी, so might be possible in the next in the next row there will be a different shade. Okay, so I'm preparing you for all these things. Initially I tried to use background music for my videos, but actually I usually get copyright issues. I don't know how other people do that and how do they get the music, but मेरे साथ हमेशा copyright issues आते हैं. and I don't know how to solve them. So that's why I thought like I'll be sharing in these videos, like in which I'm updating you about my temperature blanket. So I'll be sharing some of my thoughts and my life experiences and everything. This thought which I'm sharing today. I have it in my mind for a long time. Like when you read a lot of stories on social media. By the way, I've stopped, using social media. Actually, I usually don't open up my Instagram or Facebook until yes, I open my Instagram for if I have some work or I need to get some crochet inspirations. So yes, I opened that. But Facebook has become a big no-no for me, because उससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन होने लगा था. So I just stopped using it completely. Yes, sometimes it happens like कोई crochet की कोई चीज़ बनाई, I wanted to share, तो मैं share कर I post it on Instagram and it automatically shares on Facebook. But otherwise, I don't even open it. Maybe I'm selfish, like that I don't read others' stories and statuses and just put up my own. But it happens, once in a while. जब कभी दिल चाहा तो yes, I post something, but usually I don't. The reason I stopped using social media is because when you read a lot of stories of other people's life experiences, so for me, I'm in a phase of life that where it hits me really hard. Like I get depressed thinking of those things. It's not that they are doing something wrong, but एक होता है कि बेयर करने का एक थ्रेशोल्ड वो काफ़ी कम हो गया. So I thought like it's better that to stay away. For me, it's better to stay away. Okay, and I appreciate those who goes on and like help others and give them advices. So I was talking about my thought. I wanted to put up a question, like a lot of stories in which I read, like females, especially women, share their stories like their brothers hit them, like or their husbands hit them, or something along the lines. So I just don't get it, and I just wanna ask, what are the reasons that you don't fight back? Okay. If I talk about my own life, since my childhood, whenever anyone used to hit me or tease me, I would like fight back. I'll hit them back, and I teach my kids the same things, my girl and my boy. कि कोई मारे, किसी को खुद से नहीं मारना है, लेकिन कोई मारे तो don't tolerate that. So what is the reason behind this, that people don't retaliate, especially women when they are being beaten? Why don't they retaliate? We usually talk about like if you're being harassed outside, so आप retaliate करें, you stand up for yourself, and women keep things for their protection in their bag. So this comes up continuously in my mind, like what are the reasons that they are ready now to retaliate with the people outside the house, but if something is happening inside the house, why they don't retaliate? Like if you're ready to use pepper spray on someone who is harassing you outside, why can't you use that same pepper spray with men inside the house? I'm a kind of a person who's warrior, like since childhood. मैं कभी खुद से लड़ाई स्टार्ट नहीं करूँगी, बट इफ समवन हैज स्टार्टेड अ फाइट विद मी, तो आई विल नॉट जस्ट सिट बैक एंड टॉलरेट एनीथिंग, either they are hitting or teasing or anything. I will fight back, whatever means I can use to fight. Okay, so I just don't understand the point that why don't women retaliate with the men inside the house. Like if a girl is saying that her husband hits her every day or every night or something along the lines, I do understand, like, when you don't expect these things from anyone. Okay, so when it first time it happens, okay, fine, you are not ready. But when continuously the same thing is happening, why aren't you prepared? I don't support hitting and beating, at all. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि सब जो है वो मारना शुरू कर दें and why don't they hit. But what I wanna say is, if someone is facing any difficulty like this and that woman is being beaten every day, why isn't she retaliating? That's my question of the day, you can say. The video has gotten already very long, so I'll come up with another update video regarding my temperature blanket. So I hope you like my video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.